ICD-10 JJ-10A, page 308, exercise 02. This is a level 2 exercise and it reads like this.
Sclerosing tenosynovitis, left thumb and middle finger.
Okay, it's an sclerosing tenosynovitis, right? And it's the left thumb and middle finger. Okay, so we're going to give you 3 seconds for you to pause the video and then give us the ICD-10 code for this condition. 1, 2, 3. Okay, the answer is M65.842. You got that? If you got it, then just go to the next video. If you didn't get it, then let's give you a couple of tips. The first tip is,
start with tenosynovitis. Sclerosing is an adjective, which means it describes what type of tenosynovitis it is.
Right, the main term here is tenosynovitis as the main condition. Sclerosing is just telling you what type of tenosynovitis it is. Right, but the main term is tenosynovitis. That's why you have to start with tenosynovitis, okay? Now, the tip number 2 is that this is a level 2 difficulty, right? Why is it difficult? Because the main reason for the sclerosing is cholesterol crystals. That's something that you have to know from your physiology and anatomy, right? And therefore, when you're looking in the path, you have to go to due to crystals, because the cholesterol crystals is what causes the sclerosing, okay? So that's why it's difficult. It's a level 2, okay? Now, the tip number 3 is that in tabular, you choose other because it is not calcific nor trigger finger, right? So you just choose other because it's other type. We don't see calcific in the description, and we don't see trigger finger, which would be the other ones. And there are other classifications too that are not in the text of the problem. That's why you choose other, okay? So with these tips, you have to find out the path to the answer, because you know the answer already. The answer is M65.842, but you have to show us the path, how you got to the answer, okay? So we're going to count to 3 for you to pause the video and give us the path to the answer. 1, 2, 3. Okay, this is the summary of the whole problem. The problem is sclerosing tenosynovitis, left thumb and middle finger. There's only one code, and the code 1 through the index is found like this.
First you go to index.
Go to index.
Then you go to tenosynovitis.
Then you go to tenosynovitis, and it says something there. What does it say?
See also synovitis.
Which means that if you don't find what you're looking for, you go to synovitis. So we go to synovitis there.
Yes.
Go to synovitis, and then?
In due to. Then you go to crystals.
In due, and this is the reason, and then crystals, because we told you that the sclerosing is because the crystals, right? So it is, what's the code?
M65.8.
And the hyphen means that there's additional characters that you have to include there once you go to the tabular, okay? So we're going to go to the tabular for this code. So the code 1 through the tabular is found like this.
First you go to tabular. Then you go to M65.
Right. What is that?
Tenosynovitis.
Right. Now let's add the other digit.
M65.8.
Which is other, and we told you in the tips that since it is not specifically indicated in the text, then we choose other, right? And now, why are we choosing 4 then?
M65.84 is hand.
Is the hand, right? Because those are in the specific anatomical part that is the hand, right? Which is our problem, right? The fingers are in the hand, right? And then
M65.842 is the left.
The left hand, right?
Right.
Because it says left thumb, right? It says left thumb, it means you have 2 thumbs, the right thumb and the left thumb. So the left thumb is in the left hand, right? So it's supposed to be in the left hand, both things, right? So that's why we have the equal sign right there. And the answer is M65.842, okay? Thanks for watching the video, and please visit our website.